Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to earn $10 every 20 minutes, and that is with real PayPal money. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can potentially earn $10 every 20 minutes with PayPal money. Now, maybe you're not going to make, $10 every 20 minutes. Maybe you're going to make 20. Maybe you're going to make nothing at all. But it all depends on whether you're willing to do that exact strategy, which absolutely works. There are a ton of people making that money, so you just have to try and check it out. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to find a product that you want to sell. And don't worry about this, it doesn't have to be something fancy or anything like that. What you can do to find that product is to go to ClickBank and find a product that pays well, at least well enough, and that you think is good. It doesn't have to be that crazy or anything like that. You could also go to Amazon. Amazon has, everything that you can think of. Make sure it's a product that's expensive enough, because otherwise it's going to be, a bit hard to actually get some proper commissions. But any product can work just as long as it has an affiliate program, which most products on the internet actually do have that. So don't worry about whether it does or doesn't have an affiliate program. Most of the time it will, unless it's like something that's in a really small market. But with that, you're not going to be able to make any sales. So make sure it's a big enough market. It doesn't have to be huge, doesn't have to be like the biggest thing in the world, but you do want to be able to make some money. So make sure it's at least big enough that there are people that are searching for it and that it has an affiliate program. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to, make a review, but stay with me here, because I know you've heard about, making a review before, but stay with me because, I'm going to have a big tip at the end of this video. So you're going to make a review video, or maybe it's a blog post. I've seen some people make bicycle reviews on blog posts, and like, if you look at these, like, most likely the most expensive one is going to be the best one. So, it doesn't have to be on YouTube, but YouTube is probably the best. And the thing about YouTube is most people think that you have to show your face. You don't. It's not like that. You don't have to show your face. If you do show your face, it's a lot better, but you don't have to show your face. So, make a review of that. It doesn't matter, what you're into. Maybe it's bike riding. Maybe it's something completely different. Maybe it's, some product that you enjoy, that maybe you use it, or you think that, using it could be good. So maybe you already have it in your house. Maybe it's your computer. Maybe it's something else. But make a review and put the affiliate link in the description. Now, to take it one step further, you want to actually make a landing page. And you've heard me say this before, but there's a twist to this one. So you're going to make a landing page, where people enter their name and email, and that will bring them to, a sales video or something, you telling them why they should buy it. But what you want to do is you want to give a bonus. And by the way, if you want to do this strategy, like, there's a link in the description to Builderall, which you can do that, like that exact strategy for very cheap. So, building a landing page, sending out emails, and all that good stuff that you absolutely need if you want to make an online business. So, you're going to give a bonus if someone buys from your link. So, there's a ton of people making review channels out there, selling headphones and all that stuff. So how are you going to differentiate yourself from all these other people? What you're going to do is you're going to give a bonus to people that buy from your link. And that bonus can really depend on, you know, what they're trying to, or what you're trying to sell. Because, you know, if you're trying to sell, you know, how to, you know, if you're trying to sell a coffee machine and, you know, you sell a bonus for some people that want, you know, honey or something, then, you know, it's going to be a lot harder. But well, it's not going to work. It's not that it's going to be a lot harder. It's just not going to work. So what you want to do is have a bonus that's tailored to that product. So maybe if they're outdoors, you know, give them a free PDF of the best camping gear, or, you know, something along those lines, or, you know, the 10 things that you absolutely need if you want to go camping, or you know, something that you can think of. And it doesn't have to be expensive. You don't have to like buy anything. All you have to do is write that, you know, write an ebook. It doesn't take you a long time, you know, inspire yourself from other people that have written ebooks before. I'm sure you can find them online for free. So, you know, it's no secret that you can find books online. So don't worry about that, but, you know, give them a bonus to enhance them to buy from your link instead of somebody else's link. And if they don't buy it and they still enter the email, then you can send them some emails over and over again, reminding them that, you know, that product is the best and they should probably buy it. And that doesn't cost you any more money. It's just, you know, a bit better to be able for them to buy it. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.